I call. I don't know. You ask them. Working. It's not your house because he bother me. He cannot use force here. I am working here. The delivery. He cannot. I am going to call police. It's okay. Yeah, it's coming. It's here.
So it's here, so you do not need police from me?
Yes, now it's here. Police. It's okay.
What's your address?
That's okay. Police is coming now.
So you don't need me to send the police because they're coming now?
Yes.
Hello.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're here.
My name is Atakal
We're
Tegobu.
being audio visual recorded.
Yes, my name is Atakal Tegobu. I am working DoorDash delivery. This guy, he coming for food to eat inside. And I asked the guy, I asked food, and he don't ask me anything. He come in my face close to me. He want to his food. He don't ask me excuse me. Why you not asking me excuse me? And he try to hit me. So it's not only this. I am under police. I am living in the street inside my car. I don't go any area. Just I live in here. So I need. It's not only this one. Yesterday, 2 area
I can't address otherwise.
Yes. Okay. This guy, he tried to hit me. That's it. He tried to hit me. I don't know. I asked him.
So you were there working, or you were in line?
No. I am working delivery, DoorDash delivery.
Oh, okay. All right, sir.
The first store to bring the food.
Yeah.
He coming behind me.
Right.
And then I
And
say,
so you're
Oh,
upset
just
that he wasn't
excuse me.
polite and asked for excuse me, and he's upset that you didn't get out of the way. And here we are, the police, trying to address 2 adults that don't know how to behave.
he do like this.
That's not trying to hit you. He admitted, he pointed his finger at you.
I am report to you. This guy tried to hit me outside here. You want to
Yeah,
imply?
but
He
this
told
is
me.
not trying to hit you. He admitted pointing at you.
Okay.
That's not trying to hit you. That's
Okay.
not even a crime.
No, it's crime. I don't say crime, but I don't know him because.
Right.
Okay.
That's what I'm
Okay,
saying.
it was a misunderstanding. Okay, you guys got in each other's way, right?
You say what?
It was a misunderstanding.
Okay,
You
anything,
never
I-
exchanged words. That's what I'm saying. Yeah.
No, he
Yeah.
say what? He say what? I'm going to. Do you want to ambulance? Do you want to hit you? He say outside here.
I'm talking about inside of the restaurant.
Inside, I am in the guy. He's standing.
Okay.
I am the first. If
Okay.
I am the
Hey.
first, he cannot
Okay.
push me.
Whatever it is, I'm
That's why
sorry.
I got-
Whatever
I'm
it is,
moving
Yeah,
outside.
listen.
look, I'm sorry. Whatever happened.
Okay.
Okay.
Is this
All
your
right.
dad?
I am just reporting you. I
see
don't
what
care
I'm
Hey,
about the
listen.
guy. I
Alright,
just
okay.
report you because.
Okay.
Sometimes
Oh,
you
okay,
need
Let
to
me
hand
explain
it
to you.
I got
Please.
you.
I know you're
It's
working
not
hard
only
for
this guy.
DoorDash. I know.
Yesterday, same thing,
Listen
they
to me.
push I
You-
am living
listen.
outside. I don't go
Listen,
to
I know
his
you
house.
work hard for DoorDash. I'm sorry, okay? I know you're a little frustrated. That's all.
Be proud of him.
All right.
That's all you
All right.
Go ahead, sir.
Thank you.
Go ahead. All right. He apologized.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Okay.
All right.
Yeah, but because I need protect. I am outside because I
Okay.
don't know him. That's why I'm asking. If I live